Hello, beautiful. If you would like to know how to properly clean your ears without hurting them in any way, if you would like to know how to, if you would like to know, if you would like to know the best and most proper way to clean and remove the earwax from your ears, then just keep watching because that is what I'm going to show you in today's video. Today we are going to be using this device, the company Iborria. This company was kind enough to send me out this really neat contraption device that basically cleans your earwax in the most effective way. Because with your standard cotton swab, you tend to push the earwax back inside of your ear, and this is going to prevent that from happening. Another cool thing about this product is that it contains a little microscope contraption so that you can actually see the earwax inside of your ear. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like, and I'm going to share with you how to use this product. I am mostly a beauty channel, but occasionally I like to try out some new products, and that is mostly what I do on this channel. So if you are also into that, make sure to subscribe. And if you found that this video was helpful, or if you strangely enjoyed it in any way, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It's like a little iPhone case. Ugh. Oh, this one's white. Whoa. I didn't think that it was going to be white based off of the picture. Let's see if it comes. Is that all it comes with? Okay, it comes with a little cord. The cord is a little dirty. So this is the stand that the device goes into. It goes in like this. It doesn't feel like it's that high quality. Oh, you can open it up. Okay. So you open it up, and then these are the little picks that you can use. They've got like different sizes. Some seem to be more just like plasticky, whereas others have this like rubber feel to them. And they all have like, it's so bright in here, but they all kind of serve a different purpose. So some of them you would use, you know, if you're trying to get deeper in the ear. Some of them you use just to like scrape the outer parts of your ear. So that's what those are for. Let's open up this pamphlet here. So there's an app that you use. You have to download the app and then connect it, and then that's how you're going to be able to see the microscope. So this part right here, it is just made out of plastic, so it doesn't feel super high quality, but it's still functional. And then this is going to be the actual device. So you're going to open this up, and you're going to attach the ear pick to here. And then this top, this is different. What is this? Okay, I have to read the pamphlet. So I'm gonna download the app, scan the barcode. So open the lid to turn on the tool and Wi-Fi. Open up the lid. Okay, so hopefully it will stay charged, but that's the light. There's an indicator that shows that it's ready to go. So yeah, this is basically the screen that you'll see. This microscope. Cool, right? Okay, and then basically what you do, camera's not the best quality, it's a bit dark, but it works. And then if you want to do your ears, you would press this here. There's a zoom button, and it totally turns into like a microscope. So let's see how this works. So take this and attach it. Like that. And then you'll basically take this. Maybe it's charged now. Let's try to take it off the charger. Hopefully it still works. You'll take this tip and then place it into the ear. And then that's how you see everything in your ear, which is so disgusting. But yeah, I like been cleaning my ears, so it's kind of hard to get the angle right. See how clean my ears are? It's scraping off a little bit of stuff. That's probably, oh. Oh my god, it looks so gross. Yep, and that's your earwax. It's so tiny on here, but of course, because this is a microscope, it looks huge. Okay, well, this battery is dying. They should have gave me a fully charged one, so I'm gonna have to charge it. But for now, that is all I will do. But you get the gist of how it works. Really cool. I really do like the camera on here, though. It works very well. I just wish that the screen on the cell phone was a little bit bigger. But that is basically how you can effectively clean your ears. It actually does work. Depending on how long you've cleaned your ears out, like after you use it, your hearing's a little bit better. It's a cool contraption. I really do like it. So if you are looking for a way to like effectively clean the earwax out of your ears, I highly recommend it. Like, do not use Q-tips because that just pushes the earwax back inside of your ear. And it's not recommended. And again, this is for people who have like waxy. Actually, no, I think anyone could use this, but some people tend to have dry wax and some people have wet wax. So this is really effective for people who have wet earwax. Yeah, overall, that is it. If you are interested in picking this up, I'll make sure to leave a link down below. So go ahead and check it out. It is quite affordable as well. And it's pretty cool and pretty fun to use. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I mean, I don't really make this kind of content. I make beauty content. So if you like beauty content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. That is it. And hope to see you in another one. Bye.